guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing a look JDK you can create with any of the formal shirt you are wearing or pinkish shirt that I'm wearing right now. I'm doing a makeup look that goes well with this look. So stay connected with the
So I
video till
low-key
end. Want a sleeky look here. So I do not want any of the frizzy hair. So I'm going with the
wax stick.
So I did this kind of braid today. So let's get started. First of all, you need to prepare your eyelids. So I'm taking up a concealer. This one's from Forever 52 and in the shade 001. And this one is 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 shade lighter than my skin tone, as you can see. Lock the eyeshadow base using
Translucent powder.
and then you need to take up a soft brown shade on a fluffy brush and start blending on the outer corner and slowly taking it or blending it inwards, as you can see here. अपन हौली हौली inwards blend करेंगे. This one is in the orange tone, as you can see. अपन थोड़ी brownish tone ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ लेके जा सकते हैं. With a very soft hand you have to blend it. Like this. Same on the other side. Slowly ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ inner corner ਵੱਲ blend ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. Now you can take up any of the browner shade. Is a dark brown shade ਆਪਾਂ add कर सकते हैं. If you want the eye makeup to look more of brownish rather than more of orangish, so you can add a brownish tone eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm done with. You have to blend it perfectly so that कोई भी harsh lines visible ना हों. So now we have to cut the crease. So either ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ concealer use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ eyeshadow base create ਕਰਨ ਲਈ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, or you can even go with using the white color corrector. So herein I'll be using a white color corrector to cut the crease. So you have to take this in a very little quantity, just like this, and then you have to take up a flat brush like this one and pick the product. You can see it here, and you have to cut the crease. Very careful. Same on this side as well. Take some product. And then you can lock it using translucent powder. Okay, so in order to avoid this harsh line, so whitish harsh line, you need to take the brush ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਆਹ ਵਾਲੀ shade ਨੂੰ blend ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਆਪਾਂ consider ਕਰਾਂਗੇ and start blending again so that there is no harsh line or harsh white line visible here. Start blending. Same on the other side as well. And you have to blend it out until there is no harsh line visible. And then ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਇੱਥੇ harsh line ਹੈ, whitish harsh line, straight line, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ remove ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. So in order to remove that, you have to take the same brush ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ use ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ and start blending. I mean, you have to bring out or you have to bring up the brownish shade inwards, right in where we have cut the crease. Okay, then comes the main part. So we have to take up a pink shade. So you can either consider the baby pink or the soft pink shade, and you have to place it in the inner
Taking
corner.
up
A baby pink shade and placing it smoothly on the inner corner, just to give it a pinkish effect. Yeah.
same on the other side.
So you can see just the pinkish effect on the inner corner. Then moving on to the eyeliner part, here I'm taking up the
Gel liner. You can either use pen liner, whatever you want.
done with the eyeliner part, and then moving on to applying the false lashes. So I'm done with the lash application, and then moving on to the next part. So applying the pinkish shade on the inner corner as well.
Same on the other side.
So I'm done with half of the eye makeup, and then we'll do the base first, and then we'll do the under. Just one pump, you can see, just in a little quantity.
Alexa, what is time?
The same shade that I used to create eyeshadow base. Blush. Powder setting. Avoid applying foundation or avoid going for powder setting on the cheeks to give it a more glowy effect. Almost done with the base, so let's move on to doing the under eye work. So herein I would prefer to go with just smudging out the waterline with nude shade, I mean the lightest brown shade. So in order to smudge the waterline herein, I'm using a orangish or nude shade. So you can see.
You just have to smudge it. And then you're only left with applying the mascara and you're done with the eye work. So going for the mascara.
So I'm done with applying the mascara. And then going for the highlighter. And then you're left with the lip shade. So I'm keeping it neutral and then going for my favorite gloss.